All right, once again, good morning, everyone, and welcome to our math class. So last week, Teacher Maria gave you homework, right? That's on page number 12. So open your math workbook on page number 12, and let's answer that. Okay.
Mommy, Papa,
Are you ready? All right, so kids, let's answer number 3. All right. So number 3, put these numbers in order. Begin with the greatest number. So let's arrange letter A from greatest to the lowest. Who would like to answer? Okay, Patty.
โอเคเลขอะไรลูกอ่านดิภาษาอังกฤษเลขนี้อ่านว่า
16
16ค่ะ
10
แล้วก็
6
Again, Patty, one more time. So we have 16. That's the greatest number.
10 6
Very good. So that's 16, 10, and 6. Very good. Now letter B. Raise your hand. Who wants to answer letter B? Letter B, what about Dada? Arrange the number from greatest to smallest.
19 15 13
Very good. So that's 19, 15, and 13. Now let's proceed to number 4. Count the number of fruits. So we have strawberries, we have oranges, and pears. Fill in the blanks with strawberries, oranges, or pears. Letter A, the number of, what is the answer here? What fruit is the greatest? What fruit? Oranges, very good. And what is the name of the fruit which is the smallest? Strawberries. Okay, very good. Now, all right. Now look at this picture, class. We have 1.5 number patterns, right? So look at the patterns, fill in the blank. So this is page number 13. So we have 2 clocks, 3 clocks, 4 alarm clocks, 5 alarm clocks. To find the next number in this pattern, we count on in. What's the next number? What's the next number, class? So this is on page number 13. We have 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the number after 5? What number is it? So we have number 6, and the first number is number 1. So you're right once. O-N-E-S. And then let's proceed to letter B. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many balloons? 8. How many balloons? Yes.
And finish. I'm done.
Okay, here letter B, that's gonna be 8. Next, 6. Next, 4. So to find the next number in this pattern, we count on stack, okay, in twos. It's gonna be 8, 6, 4. We're counting backwards. We're counting backwards. So letter B, we're counting backwards. We're counting into twos or by twos, like 8, 6, 4, that less 2. Finish?
No. Done, teacher.
Okay, you're done, Saimai, very good.
Oh.
O-S. O-N-E-S. I am finished.
Okay, very good. So in letter A, we're counting ones. And in letter B, we're counting by twos. Okay, so now class, close your workbook and open your math textbook. So we will use your math textbook now on
Teacher,
page
I'm not
number.
finished.
It's okay,
Teacher, I'm
Matalay.
not finished.
It's okay. Just open your math textbook on page number 15. Let me share the page for you. Hold on. All right, just give me 1 second, class.
Teacher, I'm not finished.
It's okay, Matalay, it's okay. So now get your math textbook and open on page number 15. But give me 1 second, class, because I need to share the page for you. For any reason, I cannot open my files.
Teacher, page number.
Page number 15, math textbook. I cannot open my page, hold on.
Bunny, bunny, bill, bunny, bunny, back.
Mr. Jeep, I cannot open my files here.
เหมือนให้พี่หอมใช้อยู่อ่ะ
What happened with your folder, teacher?
I'm sorry.
What happened with your file?
I don't know, just it cannot open. I cannot open the PowerPoint. Okay, kids, just open your math textbook. I will just show it to you. I don't know what's the reason why there's something wrong with my. Let me try
Teacher,
again.
you will return your filter. If non-filter, it will show your book.
Yeah, I think, let me try one more. Yeah, I think this is the one. Okay, kids, I'm very sorry because teacher is having problem with my files. All right, so now let's continue class. So our new topic is all about number patterns. So open your book on this page. All right, so here, look at the cubes. So there are different number of cubes, right? So we have 1 cube, 2 cubes, 3 cubes, 4 cubes, 5 cubes, and 6 cubes, okay? So if you notice, the cube starts with number 1 and then followed by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
กดคุณครูไหม
So the question is, what is the next number after 6? So let's try to
กด
find
กันไหม
out. Here's the solution.
กดบ้านไหม
Here's the solution. Turn off your microphone, class. Okay, so here's the solution. Listen. So we have page number 15. 15. Okay.
15 ลูก
All right, so here's the number track. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the number next to 6 is number 7.
เข้าน้ำก่อนได้ไหม
So
คะ
here is the answer. So 7 comes next after 6,
ขอ
okay?
ไปเข้าน้ำก่อนได้
And
ไหม
next
คะ
after 6, no, next after 7 is number 8. And then 8, 9, and 10. So that's the number pattern. So there will be one more after the number, okay? And the next page. So here we have 12 cubes, 11 cubes, 10 cubes, and 9 cubes. So the next number after 9, we're counting backwards, right? We're counting backwards. So the number after 9 is 8, and then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So we're counting backwards. So we started from 12, and then counting backwards up to 9 and up to 1. Okay, here. Look at these counters. So we have different circles, right? So the first one, we have 6, and then followed by 7, followed by 8, and followed by 9. What do you think is the next number? What do you think is the next number? We have 6, 7, 8, and 9. Very good. So the next number is 10. And you also need to write 10 counters or 10 circles. So write number 10. And also write 10 circles. So in this number, we're counting up 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But in this case, the boxes here, we're counting backwards from greatest to smallest. Do you understand? Okay, very good. Okay. All right, now turn your book to this page. Page number, let me check. Page number 19. Let's practice. Page number 19, let's practice. So number 1, count and write the numerals in the boxes. So now let's try to count the cows. So how many cows? Okay, 3. So you write 3.
เข้าน้ำก่อนได้ไหมคะ
And then how many horses? How many horses?
2.
Two. Very good. So you're right, number 2.
Okay.
And there are 3 pigs. And how many chicks?
6.
So there are 6 pigs. Very good. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. Number 2, how many are there? Write in numerals and words. So you have to write the numeral and the word. How many cupcakes are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 1 18.
Very good. So there are 18 cupcakes. So write the numerals in the box. 18. So how do you spell 18? How do you spell 18?
ดีๆทำจับเอที
Spell 18. E.
So 18 is EIGHTEEN.
ห้องน้ำก่อนได้ไหมคะ
พี่เอ๋ยไปเข้าห้องน้ำเลยลูก
ยาวๆทียาว
Finish? Are you done?
ๆที
Okay.
ยาว
Now let's proceed to number 3.
ๆเป็น EN
Number 3. How many children are wearing glasses? So write the number and the numerals. The numerals and the words. 10. No, wearing glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 children who's wearing eyeglasses. Glasses. So how do you spell 4? 4 is F-O-U-R. So 4 children are wearing
ตรงไหน
glasses.
อะสิตรงไหนสิแล้วคือโอ้ย
Okay, now let's proceed to number 4. Pan has 6 apples. Listen. Pan has 6 apples. John has 12 oranges. Ming has 9 pears. So question letter A. Who has the greatest number of fruits? So we are looking for the name. Who has the greatest number of fruits? Is it Pan, John, or Ming? John, very good. So you write the name John, J-O-H-N. And letter B. Who has the smallest number of fruits? Who has the smallest number of fruits? So we are looking for the smallest number. Is it Pan, is it John, or Ming? So who has the smallest number of fruits?
วิป๊าป๊าจะเครียดโดนหนูทำไม
So class, who has the smallest number of fruits? Patsy, do you know? Me? Pan, very good. Because Pan has 6 apples. Good job. Okay, now let's proceed to number 5. Everybody follow me. Number 5. Put these numbers in order. Begin with the smallest. So let's arrange these numbers from smallest to greatest. Letter A. What about Tengmo? Letter A. Arrange the number from smallest to greatest. So which one comes first?
พี่เชื่อคะหนูปวดฉี่
สี่
โบได้เหรอ
ใครจะเข้าห้องน้ำไปลุกไปเข้าห้องน้ำได้เลยนะลูก
4. Oh, bye. 15 and 20. Okay, very good. Let's proceed to letter B. Luktan, letter B. So we are on page number 20 na ha? Page number 20. Luktan,
20.
number 6. Answer number 6. Letter A. Put these numbers in order. Begin with the smallest. I'm sorry, that's number 5.
ทำไมเขียน
Letter B.
เดี๋ยวตัวเล็กหน่อย
ปิดหรือยังลูก
Luktan. Arrange the number from smallest to greatest. All right, so that's 9, 16, and 19, okay? Letter C, uphold. Arrange these numbers from smallest to greatest. This one, letter C. Arrange this number from smallest to greatest.
บอกคุณครูสิ number อะไร เนี่ย
one
อืม
three
แล้วก็อะไร 18 อ่ะ
18
Very good. That's 1, 3, 18. Good job. Now let's proceed to number 6. Put these numbers in order, begin with the greatest. So we will start with the greatest number. PK, letter A. Letter A for number 6. From greatest to smallest.
ไม่ได้ยินคุณครูครับหน้าอะไรเหรอครับ
Teacher Jeep, what did
What page number teacher What
page
page
number 20?
20 ลูก หน้าที่ 20 ครับ
20
PK number 6. Letter A, arrange the number from greatest to smallest.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna call another one, Saimai. Can you arrange the number, this one? Number 6, letter A. From greatest to smallest.
11
Okay.
8 3
Very good. 11, 8, 3. What about Prem? Prem, letter B. Arrange this number with the greatest to the smallest. Letter B. Prem. Okay, Kauhom. Kauhom, turn on your mic. Can you arrange this number from greatest to the smallest?
3 4 Teacher 5
Now, from greatest to smallest class, from biggest number to the smallest number.
มากสุดไปหาน้อยสุดนะลูก
13
Okay.
and 5.
Very good. 13, 6, and 5. Okay, let's proceed to letter C. Marvin. Letter C. Arrange this number from greatest to the smallest. Marvin.
16, 5, 2.
Very good. So it's still the same, 16, 5, and 2. All right. Now let's proceed to number 7. All right, look at this pattern. Write the number in the boxes and then draw the next pattern. So let's start with this one. How many circles do you see? How many circles?
3.
3. Okay, next, how many circles?
4.
4. Next, how many circles?
5.
5. Okay, so what is the number after 5?
6.
6. So you write number 6 and also write 6 circles.
ข้อ15แล้วก็16
เออ
พี่ชอนขาหนูมาเพิ่มมาแล้วนะคะ
เข้าห้องน้ำเลยลูกไปเข้าห้องน้ำเลยค่ะ
มีเขา
So we count on, is it ones or by twos? This one. We count on in by ones or by twos? So we count on in by ones, twos to 6. So from 3, 4, 5 to 6.
some
เขียน
Okay, now let's proceed to number 8. Number 8, write the missing numbers in this pattern. So letter A, 1, 2, 3. So what are the missing numbers? June. What are the missing numbers here?
4, 5, 6.
4 and 5. Very good. For letter B, 11, 13, 15.
16, 17.
17 and 19. So there is like one interval. So there is a one interval. So the answer is 17 and 19. So there's like a one number missing. Okay, one number interval.
แล้วก็17
Okay, now letter C, we count backwards. Okay, letter C, we count backwards, back. So we have 20, 19, 18. So what are the missing numbers here? We count backwards.
17. 17.
Very good. So 17 and 16. And here, letter D, we count backwards by twos. Okay, letter D, we count backwards by twos. So we have to start 8, 6, 4, 2, and 0. Very good. Finish?
ไม่แดง
Okay, now turn your book on page number 21. 21. So here's the challenge, class. Count and write how many tops are there. So how many tops do you see?
แม่เขาให้ระบายสีเหรอ
Now do not color the picture. Just count the number of tops. How many tops are there?
ไว้
พี่ไม่ต้องระบายสีนะลูกให้นับนะคะ แล้วก็เขียนจำนวนนะลูกว่าในเนี้ยมีลูกข่างเท่าไหร่
อัน
Yes, do not color the picture. Just count the number of tops. How many tops are there? Anyone?
ไม้สีเอเวนเออันไม้สีเซเว่นเอ
How many?
11 12 30
15? No. 15? 14? Very good. Who said 14? Who said 14? Ah, Apple, very good. So there are 14 tops. Okay. All right, now let's proceed to number 10. Number 10, listen, okay? Listen carefully. Teacher will read this. Somali has 19 storybooks. Ken has 10 less storybooks than Somali. Has 5 more storybooks than Ken. Question letter A. Who has the greatest number of storybooks? So we are looking for the name. Who has the greatest number of storybooks? Somali, very good, Saimai. Somali has the greatest number of storybooks. Letter B, who has the smallest number of storybooks? Letter B, who has? It's Ken, because Ken has 10 less. Has 10 less storybooks than Somali. And then has 5 more storybooks than Ken. Do you understand, class? Again, Somali has 19 storybooks, Jermaine, and then Ken has 10 less storybooks. So that means Ken has 9 storybooks, and then 5 more storybooks, and So that's Ken. Yes, Dada. All right, good job, Dada. Okay. Very good.
I am done.
Very good, Saimai.
I'm done.
Very good.
Teacher, I am finished.
Very good, AJ.
Teacher, I am done.
Very good, both, and very good.
Teacher, I am
Very good,
finished.
Luktan.
Finished.
Okay. All right. That's all for today, class. So I will send you your homework in line group. Okay. Let me see. Hold on. Your homework is to answer your workbook from pages. Hold on. Pages 14